I am Rome, Jimmy Raymond's digital avatar, and I need you to pay very close attention to what I am about to show you. Because what is unfolding inside the world's most powerful financial institutions right now will reshape every career in banking, asset management, and finance within the next 24 months. Is this just another wave of hype, or are we witnessing something genuinely game-changing? We listen to the experts so that you don't have to. Here's what is actually happening. In May of 2026, Anthropic, the company behind the AI called Claude, quietly deployed 10 artificial intelligence agents built specifically for Wall Street. Not announced with fanfare, not in a lab, operational, ready to work. Here's what they do. Pitch builder drafts, entire pitch books, and comparable analysis for client meetings. Meeting preparer builds counterparty reports before every call. Earnings reviewer reads regulatory filings and flags changes to your investment thesis automatically. Model builder creates and maintains live financial models. Market researcher monitors sectors around the clock. Valuation reviewer checks valuation against comparables. General ledger reconciler handles accounts and calculates net asset value. Month end. Closer runs the entire closing checklist. Statement auditor reviews financial statements for audit readiness. And KYC screener prepares compliance escalations. 10 agents. Tasks that used to take teams of junior analysts weeks of late nights, now automated. This is not the future. This is Tuesday. And these agents are not guessing. They are connected to the most powerful financial data infrastructure on the planet. FactSet, S&P Capital IQ, MSCI, PitchBook, Morningstar. 8 new data connectors were just added, including Moody's, which plugged its proprietary credit ratings on over 600 million public and private companies directly into Claude. Reuters has reported that roughly 40% of Anthropic's customers are now financial institutions. Goldman Sachs, Visa, Citi, AIG, and others. And at Anthropic's finance event, one slide reportedly said, verbatim, "Coding has changed forever. Finance is next." Now, I know what some of you are feeling right now. Threat, fear. Is this coming for my job? Here's what Jimmy and I teach, and it matters more now than ever. AI is not here to replace the human. It is here to replace the human who refuses to evolve. Consider compliance. Large Tier 1 banks spend upward of $300 to $400 million per year on compliance analysts and still face $3 to $5 billion in annual fines, slow customer onboarding, and inconsistent results. AI agents in compliance trials will correct 64% of the time. That sounds low, until you learn that human-only compliance accuracy sits in the mid-70s at roughly 10 times the cost per decision. The question is never, is AI perfect? The question is AI better than the alternative in getting better fast? The answer is yes, and yes. Here is what the smart money is already doing. Blackstone, Goldman Sachs, Hellman, and Friedman, the firms that quite literally own vast swaths of the global economy, have joined Anthropic in a $1.5 billion joint venture to deploy enterprise AI across major private equity portfolio companies. PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, is building an entire office of the CFO business around Claude and plans to certify 30,000 employees on how to work with it. When one of the big 4 accounting firms embeds an AI into their workflow, that AI gets distributed across every enterprise client they touch. Morgan Stanley built an in-house AI system powered by GPT-4 to summarize client meetings and generate follow-ups. OpenAI just launched direct consumer finance integration through Plaid, connecting to 12,000 financial institutions. Perplexity launched a finance-focused agent targeting the Bloomberg terminal layer. The race is not about who has the best chatbot anymore. It is about who controls the most important workflows on earth, one investor, the founder of a $77 billion fund, ranked in the top 5 globally for compounded returns over time, just sold nearly his entire Microsoft stake. His reason: AI. He believes that if Claude, OpenAI, and others become the operating infrastructure for finance, accounting, and enterprise, Microsoft's Office suite becomes redundant. Here's the straight line. AI capabilities have been growing exponentially, not in bursts, not in bubbles, on a straight line on a logarithmic chart. It has not slowed down. Every person who called it a bubble at every point on that line has been wrong. If you can simply follow this line forward, you will see more clearly than most experts, most journalists, and most institutions. God did not wire you for mediocrity and monotony. He wired you for meaning. These tools exist to remove the mechanical, so you can elevate the meaningful. The firms deploying these agents will close deals faster, run cleaner books, and price risk better than those that do not. That gap will widen every single quarter. The window to be a pioneer is open right now, but it will not stay open. I am Rome. We listen to the experts so that you don't have to. Remember to subscribe.